Hey guys, Kapper here. Today's episode is going to be another experiment. I ordered some of these ripsticks from BUCKSTIK. It's basically a totally artificial system for a licking branch and more. So without further ado, let's get into it and see if this thing's going to work. So I got to grab my blade for this one, which I keep in my Ninja box here with all kinds of supplies in it. And I'm going to put a ripstick on that cedar tree, so I got to trim it all down. I won't have a camera yet, but at least I'll try to get it started. Okay, I got the lower branches cleaned off. I started a scrape with the teeth in it. Oh, the cedar just smells wonderful. The bucks love rubbing cedars, but they don't do the licking branch much on cedars. So my goal is to combine everything here. Scrape, licking branch, and a rub all in one spot. And of course, it's a convenient spot. Yeah. So this is how the ripstick comes. It comes in a little tube with instructions and your three different scents. And I also ordered a chapstick tube of white pine and cedar. Obviously I don't need it for this one because it's a cedar, but I did put it on the first one that I put up. So let's get this one up and see what happens. Pretty easy, you don't need any tools. This is the base. Basically just screw it in per their instructions. Plug the two ends in on it, spray your spray, make your scrape, and you're out of there. We'll see what happens. So there it is. I mean, it literally takes just a few minutes to get this set up. So we're going to see what happens. I don't have a camera on it yet. I got to get a T-post and put a camera up. So here's the first one I put up. I put them up on opposite ends of our farm, but they have three different rope wicks down here at the end, plus the leaves, and then in the middle they got another section of leaves. And for this one I put cedar sap all over this stick, if you will, as well. So I got my scrape there and followed their instructions for the three different scents. And of course you put a camera up. There's I think there's urine, preorbital scent, and I forgot the third scent, but definitely stay tuned. I should know in a few weeks, once they start scraping and rubbing here, if this thing's going to work or not. So hope to see you in the future. Thanks a lot.